Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw our outline using grid method. So without any delay, let's start. So, firstly put your reference photo in any grid maker app. I use grid drawing for this. If you want to, the link is in video's description. Now let's draw the grid. First draw borderline of 1.5 cm. I suggest you to use steel scale for making grid because it's just 2 cm wide, so you can easily make square grids perfectly. Then, just see your reference photo, from which box you have to draw your outline. Observe it closely, which part is located where in grids, and draw like that in your drawing sheet. This is really a good method for drawing outline, but you need practice to make perfect outline from any method. I suggest you, if you are a beginner, don't use this method for practicing. Do freehand drawing, that will more helpful for you. But when you draw hyper-realistic drawings, commission work, or drawing on big drawing sheets like A3, A2, etc., you can use it. Many professional artists also use this method. One most important thing that I forgot to tell you, that always draw our outline light from HB pencil or mechanical pencil 0.9 mm. And here we come to end the video. Hope you have learned something. If you, then do like, comment and subscribe for more art related videos. Thanks for watching.